we're here at the Yellowtail Dam. Yellowtail? I think that's what it's called. Let's see what we can get. Oh, got it. Oh, cow. Stay on there, buddy. Stay on there, buddy. Come on, baby. Fish on! Come here. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh, come on. Look at that bad boy. That's a beauty. It's my pocket. I got my camera going. That is nice. That's a beauty. Look at that. Look at them colors. Wow. Let's get that out of your mouth, buddy. You want it?
I always throw it back.
Oh, come on. There you go. Oh, the fishing rod came out. Okay, get my lure stuck at the bottom. Oh, just by fear. Oh, and my rod's not fixed on there. Oh yeah. Oh, didn't get him. I got another one. Come here, little buddy. There's a nice looking one. I mean, they're always nice looking. I think my camera's all crooked. Oh. Alright, buddy. Oh, he wandered away right away. That is the big one of the day. Oh, that's Don't forget to support the women and men in blue and the hose jaggers too.